Happy Sunday, darlings. Today we'll be making fish barbecue, and here are my ingredients. I start mixing my first step to marinate the fish, and the first thing I put here was paprika pepper. I used 2 tablespoons of paprika pepper, 1 tablespoon of chicken spice, any chicken spice of your choice. Then I go in with my Onga classic, then my seasoning cube, just 1 cube anyway, just 1. Then I go in with my groundnut oil. Mix thoroughly. Make sure you mix it thoroughly. After this mixing, I'll be applying it on my fish, but first I have to dry out the water in order for the fish to absorb the spice I'll be applying to it. So this is me applying the sauce. Make sure to apply the sauce thoroughly. By the way, I'm using tilapia fish for my barbecue. I'm not really a fan of catfish because it's too soft for me. Catfish is too soft for my liking, so I usually use croaker fish or I use tilapia. So this is me using my tilapia fish and applying my first layer of sauce. Apply. Make sure you apply to get it inside, get the sauce inside thoroughly. Yeah, that reminds me, in my formal earlier run, I forgot to add onion when I was introducing my pepper mix. I forgot to add onion. So that you see there is my shombo pepper, fresh bonnet pepper, ginger, garlic, and then there's supposed to be onion, but I forgot to add onion while but then I added onion while mixing my pepper mix. Alright, let's prepare the sauce for the barbecue. After applying the first layer to marinate, you set aside and then you prepare your final sauce. So this is me frying my sauce. First I added the oil was thyme, teaspoon of thyme, teaspoon of curry powder. Then pour in the blended pepper mix, which is shombo, fresh pepper, and onion with your garlic and ginger flakes. Fry till it gets dry. Know your pepper mix is dry. Then you apply it thoroughly on the marinated fish. By the way, happy Mother's Day to all of my female viewers. I love you all. You guys are great, right? I'm a mother, so I know what it takes to be a mother. I know how much effort it takes to be a mother. So kudos to you out there as a successful mother. Kudos to you. Kudos to us. It's not easy. Effort we put in to train our children. I pray God help us to make these children appreciate it and take care of us in our old age. Amen to that. Okay, this is me applying the sauce, and here I'm done applying my second layer of sauce. It's now time to wrap it up and then place it in the oven. Wrap it up very well. By the way, I used 2 layers of foil to wrap my barbecue up because I wouldn't want any leakage at all in the oven. While it's in the oven, I wouldn't want any leakage, so I have to wrap it up thoroughly. Even if the first layer of foil breaks or burns down, the second one wouldn't. So that's why you have to wrap it up thoroughly. And secondly, you have to wrap it up thoroughly because you need enough heat. You need enough heat. Two layer of foil will retain enough heat inside. So that is my already sliced cucumber, cabbage and carrots ready for use. And here my fish is done, thoroughly done. I grilled this fish, although I don't know the level of temperature I use a manual oven. I don't have a electronic oven, so I use the manual oven to grill this. So I just light it up. I don't know the level of temperature the fire is. So if you have a manual oven, fine. If you have an electronic oven, good. You can use anyone, but be careful of the level of hotness. You know, that's done gradually. So this is it. Take care. Love you. Bye. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment. Until we meet again. Bye. I love you. Happy Mothering Sunday once more. Ciao ciao.